this video I am here because we are going to discuss the point of class 12 data structure part 2, and in this chapter we will discuss the point that is polystyrene. So we are going to discuss about the concept of polystyrene, how the concept of polystyrene came in the computer. Okay, so what is polystyrene? Now you can see that here in the line it is given as we know that the computer assumes everything in the binary format. Computer assumes everything in the binary format, but when it came to the it came for solution of the mathematical expression. Suppose a mathematical expression is something, and computer always assumes mathematical expression also as a two operator and one operand. That means I want to say that if I write a plus b, then computer will assume here the two operands are here a and b, but the operator is plus. Okay, so computer always assumes like this in this format. But suppose if a computer expression, if a mathematical expression is like this: a plus b into c, d into d divided by e minus f. If your expression, mathematical expression is like this, that means more than two operands are there and more than one operator is there. Then how the computer is going to solve this expression? This mathematical expression, if I have to solve in the computer, then that time the concept of polystyrene introduced. And the polystyrene was introduced by a Polish mathematician. Name is Jan Lukasiewicz. This is the name of the mathematician who introduced the concept of polystyrene in the computer. Okay. So now we are going to study about polystyrene. Now the next point is the types of polystyrene. Polystyrene, now its type. Basically it is of three types. First one is infix, second type prefix, and the third type is postfix. Okay, so infix, prefix and postfix. There are three types of polystyrene. What is infix? If I write a mathematical expression like this, a plus b, or a complex mathematical expression like this, a plus b into c divided by c minus d into b. If I write this type of mathematical expression or this type of mathematical expression, then the simple mathematical expression will be known as infix. What is it? This is infix. Stop. Of polystyrene is prefix, in which all the operators will be written first, after that operands will be written. Like if infix is there, a plus b, okay, this is infix. Then prefix of this expression will be plus ab. This is the prefix expression. And postfix means operands will be at first, operator will be in the last. This is postfix expression. Okay, so these two forms will be converted in the computer for a mathematical expression, and computer will solve according to prefix or postfix expression. Okay, so our computer does not understand this format. Our computer understands prefix format, either postfix format. Okay, so how to and in your class 12 syllabus, conversion from infix to postfix and conversion from postfix to infix is very important. So in this video right now we are going to learn the conversion of infix data type to postfix data type and postfix expression to infix expression. Okay, now suppose one infix expression is given here. Infix, that means a plus b, and now it is asking for postfix expression of this. So how to solve? how to solve this expression simply. So simply you understand, first of all you have to need to create three columns. Three columns you have to create. Here you write stack, here you write operator, and the third column will be remaining expression. Third column will be remaining expression. Okay, so here are three columns. First column is stack, second one operator, and third one is remaining expression. So what is your expression? Small bracket a plus b, small bracket close. So this is your expression. Now you have to solve this expression, and when you will solve this by this method, you will find postfix expression of the same. Okay, so how to solve remaining expression? This is the expression I have written here. Okay, so here see, in the stack you have to write the variable's name. In the operator you have to write operators such as small bracket, parenthesis, square bracket, addition symbol, division symbol, subtraction, multiplication, the exponent. This type of symbol will be under this column. Okay, so first, what is this here? First of all, we can see that here small bracket is here, so I will place a small bracket is here. Next, what remains here? Here this block will be empty now. What remains here? Here remaining a plus b, small bracket. Now after that, see, next is what? Next is a. So a will come in the stack column. So here I need to write a. The third step, a will be here, small bracket will be here. Then what here remains? Plus b, small bracket. Plus b, small bracket. Now again see, plus is here, means it is an operator, then it will come in this column. So here a will be remaining, here small bracket plus, and here remains b and small bracket closing. After that, what you see? Next iteration, if I will go in the next step, here b. So b will come in the stack column. So here will be a, b. Now here a, b, and here is what? Small bracket opening, addition symbol, and here only closing bracket. At last, here a, b, then small bracket plus, and small bracket will come here. When small bracket came here, when opening and closing braces will be together, then in between which symbol will be there, that will come to the stack. That means, now what is the final result that you get? That is a, b plus, and here it will be cancelled, and now it is empty. So what is your answer? Your answer is now a, b plus. So this is the conversion of infix expression to postfix expression. I hope now you have got the idea that how to solve the expressions. Okay. Now next point I will tell you with another example. Now here some points are here that I want to explain. Suppose I am going to solve a mathematical expression. So here are some procedure. So how to solve, like multiplication and division is coming together, or addition, subtraction is coming together. Then which symbol will be on the priority? Which symbol will be transferred first to the stack? So here we follow these rules. First, priority of the bracket or parenthesis. Second, priority of exponent. Third, multiplication or division. At last, addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. So these are the priority or the order of priority how we have to consider the operators. First, bracket or parenthesis. At second, exponent. At third, multiplication or division. At fourth, addition or subtraction. Okay, now come here. I will give another example, which is second one written here, that is infix expression is here, a small bracket a minus c into b. So now it wants postfix form of this expression. So very simple. First of all, we have to make 3 column stack. After that, next column is here operator. Then at last column will be here remaining expression column. So first of all, I will set the question here. That means small bracket a minus c into b. Okay. After that, see small bracket, then it should come in this column. So simply small bracket will be here. After that, here remains a minus c small bracket into b. Next, a is here. Then in the next iteration, it will come here. Then a small bracket here minus c small bracket closing into b. After that, next bracket minus symbol is here. So here will be a small bracket minus here c small bracket into b. Okay. Next c is here. Then a c will come here ac. Then after that small bracket minus closing small bracket into b. Next small bracket will come here. Then ac small bracket open minus small bracket close here into b. Minus small bracket opening and closing are here. So minus will be transferred here in the next iteration ac minus and it will be cancelled like this. Then here will be remains into b. Then again here now ac minus, after that expression will here and it is destroyed now here b only. Okay. Next in the next iteration b will come here. Then ac minus b. After that here into, and at last which operator, when remaining expression column is empty, nothing is there, then which operator at last will be here in the operators column, that will transfer to stack column. Means the final answer is ac minus b into, this is the final answer. That means now the answer is ac minus b in multiplication at last. This is the postfix form of this infix expression. Okay. Now we are going to solve another example. Now we will directly solve this expression. This is the longest expression in the examples which I have written. So this is the infix expression. Let me write here small bracket a plus small bracket b into c small bracket closing and the time closing, then divided by c minus small bracket d into b small bracket closing 2 times. Okay. So now we are going to solve this expression. So what we have to do now, small bracket will come here. It will empty. Small bracket will come here. Then small bracket now a plus small bracket b into c 2 times close divided by here will be small bracket small bracket c minus d into b 2 times close. Okay. After that, next a is here. Then a will be transferred here. Then here a small bracket then plus small bracket b into c 2 times close divided by small bracket c minus small bracket d into b 2 times close. Okay. After that, what we have to do, plus symbol is here, so plus we have to place here in the operators column. I will write a small bracket plus, then here write b into c divided by same. Okay. Next, after that, again opening brace, it will transfer to here. Then here write a plus this. Then after that, b will be b is here. Then b we will transfer in this column. After that, multiplication symbol, multiplication will come here. Then after that, c, then c will transfer in this column. After that, small bracket will close. Small bracket will close. Then multiplication will come here. Then this will be get deleted. After that, another small bracket will come here. Then another small bracket when it will come. Then again plus will be transferred here and it will get deleted. After that, what is the next expression? A, B, C into plus. After that, what remains here? Here remains divided by small bracket C minus D into B 2 times close. After that, C again that division will come here, then I will transfer division here. After that small bracket, then small bracket, then C will be here. After that minus, then minus will be here, then D now here. Then multiplication symbol, then multiplication will come in this bracket. After that, you see B is here, then I will write B. At last, closing brace, then I will write closing brace. Now see, minus, subtraction and multiplication both are here. So which is have the highest priority? Multiplication have the highest priority, then it will be transferred here into. After that what? Then minus will be transferred here, then this brace will be get destroyed. When it will get destroyed, at last will be, this will be here, and this below pause. Brace will be transferred here. That means these two brace opening and closing is now the same. So this division symbol will come here. Now the expression is ABC into plus CDB into minus division symbol, and these two opening brace will be cancelled. Now the final answer for the postfix expression is this: ABC into plus CDB into minus and division. This is the postfix expression of infix, of this infix expression. So this is, you got now I hope with this video you got an idea, that means how to convert the prefix infix expression to postfix expression. Now next part of this video, the same expression we will convert from postfix to infix. These two conversions are important according to your class 12 board exams. So next type of problem, that postfix expression will be given there, and you have to convert those expression into prefix expression. Infix expression. Suppose this is the postfix expression, AC minus B into symbol is there, Now we have to convert this as a normal mathematical expression. That means infix expression. I want the conversion in infix expression. So for that, what we have to do, what is the procedure? First of all, we will start from here. Very simple. Make a box like this, and here write the first operand, means A right here. After that, the next operand C is here. So what we have to do after that, next operand is minus. So when minus will come here, when we got an operand, so from first and second operands, we will perform the operation according to operand. That means here will be now the next, after getting the operator, this expression will become A minus C. It will become like this. Next B is here, so I will write B here. This is B. Next expression is multiply symbol. So what we have to do, when we got multiplication, that means now it will become A minus C into B. So what is the infix expression? A minus C into B. That means this expression. This is the infix, and we got this is the postfix, and what is the infix expression of this? This is the infix expression. Now we are one more example I will tell you, that how to convert postfix to infix. That will be the last question of this video. One postfix expression is AB plus CD minus division. So now we have to convert it as a normal mathematical expression or infix expression. Now let us see. First of all, make a box like this. Make a box like this. And write. Start from here. Here will be A. First A, then B will be there. Then write B. After that what? Plus we are getting, so So this will become like A plus B. Next operator C is here, so I will write C. Next operator D is here, so I will write D. After that I will write D. Then after that minus is here, so for two operands from the top, so it will become like A plus B will be as it is. Now C minus D it is. Okay, in the next division symbol is there, that means between this and this. So the expression is final infix expression will be A plus B C minus D, and in between what is the symbol? Division. So that means here A plus B divided by C minus D. So what is the final answer for this? A plus B divided by C minus D. So this is the answer. Okay, that is the normal mathematical expression, means infix expression. So now we have learned how to solve postfix expression to infix expression and how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. I hope you have got the idea, that means how to solve these types of conversion, and this is very important according to your class 12 board examinations. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you all of you.